These are the best Forex brokers in Mexico in 2024. I'm Noam.
And I'm Justin. We've been comparing Forex brokers for over 10 years now, and we've been looking at the latest when it comes to CFD and Forex broker trends.
In this video, we're going to uncover the very best Forex brokers in Mexico in 2024. All right, Justin, let's get into it. Mexico is a region that we started looking at over the last couple of years. I think by now most of our viewers know that we started in Australia specifically, just recommending and comparing brokers in Australia. But for about 5 or 6 years now, we've been comparing brokers globally, including in Mexico. And in this video, we're going to go through the very best Forex brokers for traders in Mexico in 2024. Let's start with number one. Who do we recommend at number one in Mexico for traders in 2024?
So our number one broker is Eightcap. And it's really important to mention that Eightcap and the brokers that we're going to mention after are all regulated. So that means that they have at least one Tier 1 regulation in the world so they can be trusted. And we've opened accounts ourselves. We know the owners, and your funds will be safe when trading through these brokers. Now, Eightcap is a good example of a broker with multiple Tier 1 regulations, including here in Australia. Now, why we like Eightcap is because of their fees, okay? They have some of the lowest fees of any Forex broker. And that's critical because if you're trading, let's say shares, if you're trading currencies, if you're trading crypto, it's the fees that are one of the biggest factors in the long term that's going to impact your profit and loss. So low fees, Eightcap is one of the key factors why we love them. Another factor that we love is the fact that you can trade more than just currency. If you want to trade, let's say, cryptocurrency as a CFD, they give that ability with leverage. So let's say they give you a leverage of 10 to 1 and a crypto goes up 5%. What that will mean is that you will make a profit of 50%, but on the flip side, if it goes down 5%, you will make a loss of 50%. So leverage does increase your exposure and your risk, but often people want to have a higher exposure market when trading something like a crypto, shares, commodities, or even currencies. So they're two of the key reasons. The third reason I'll give you is really the trading platform. So they offer some of the most popular worldwide platforms such as MT4, MetaTrader 4, MT5, MetaTrader 5. They offer TradingView, which is one of the most advanced and I'd say easiest to use with great charting software. So they're making it easy to trade. They have really good customer service, fees, regulation. These are the key 4 factors of why in 2024 we recommend Mexican traders consider this broker.
Okay. So that was Eightcap at number one. At number two, we had Pepperstone. Why do we have Pepperstone at number two in Mexico?
Sure, so Pepperstone is one of the most famous brokers in the world. So they're larger than Eightcap, and what they've really focused on is they're focused on something called a raw account. So a raw account has something called a spread and a commission. So a spread is the difference between the bid and the ask price. Like when you go to the airport, you'll see, what you can buy, the USD versus the peso. It's very similar. So there'll be the spread, and then there'll be a commission which is based on your trading volume. What we know is that Pepperstone has really low spreads for this type of account, and their commissions are competitive. So if you're thinking of trading this type and you're primarily looking at doing currency, then we'd recommend Pepperstone. They also have one of the fastest speeds when it comes to trading in the world. So because they're such a large broker, they have access to liquidity pools in places like London and New York, which just make it faster to trade. And that's critical because movements can be so fast on something based on news events and events that are across the world. So if you're looking for a fast trading experience, you may want to be trading through bots or automation. Pepperstone's a clear winner there.
Okay, so that's Eightcap at number one, Pepperstone at number two. Number three is probably a broker that may surprise some people, but in Latin America, particularly Mexico, FP Markets, who we have here at number 3, are a very, very strong option. Why do we rank FP Markets at number 3?
Yeah, so FP Markets, again, it is a global broker, but what's really surprising is that it's got a really strong trader base in, first of all, Europe, in like the Cyprus area, and then a really strong trader base in Latin America, including places like Colombia, Mexico, Brazil, all this area, really strong presence. Now, there's a few reasons for that. First of all, they have got the best customer service in the region. So obviously having some people that speak the local language are able to help you out with problems, understand what local traders are looking for. That is a big deal, and they have a really excellent understanding of the region and what traders are looking for. The second one is that they really do focus primarily on MetaTrader 4. So we know that currency trading is a primary form of trading in the region, and because of that, MetaTrader 4 is the #1 most popular platform when it comes to that, and FP Market excel with that trading platform. So really, and then the fees when it comes to MT4 are also very competitive. So it's really about this understanding the local area, being able to service the area, having a local language, understanding what you're looking for, really focusing on MetaTrader 4 and really excelling when it comes to that trading platform and keeping the fees low. Those are the 3 key reasons that I believe FP Markets is so popular within the region.
Okay, so those are the top 3. I might just add a quick special mention broker at number 4, and that's Blackbull Markets. Of course, Blackbull Markets are headquartered in New Zealand and regulated under the FMA. Do you want to just in a couple of sentences mention why we've added Blackbull Markets as the special mention broker in Mexico in 2024?
Sure, so Blackbull Markets we like for really professional traders. So if you're a professional, or if you're looking to do high volumes, especially if you're planning to use bots and robots and automation, well, Blackbull Markets is the fastest in the world, and they offer really competitive spreads at that high-end market.
Yep.
So you just want to be into the system, making fast trades at low cost. Blackbull's a winner.
Okay, so let me just summarize this for everybody back home. So our special mention broker, as Justin just mentioned, in Mexico in 2024 was Blackbull Markets, mainly for professionals, mainly because they have super fast execution speeds. At number 3, we had FP Markets. Why do we have FP Markets at number 3?
So it's about the fact that they have a really strong local presence and can really offer the support that Mexican traders are looking for. Trust me, it's important when you open an account or when you have issues in your day-to-day trades, you need strong customer support.
Okay. At number 2, no surprises, was Pepperstone. Why Pepperstone?
So Pepperstone, really, we're focusing on the fact that they have a really good raw account. That's a spread plus commission account. It's very competitive, and it's just one of the most worldwide known brokers. So if you're looking for a broker that absolutely you can trust, Pepperstone's a winner.
Okay, and the overall winner for the best Forex broker in Mexico in 2024 was Eightcap. In a sentence, why Eightcap?
So it's because Eightcap is offering all trading, all at competitive prices. So if you want to trade Forex, if you want to trade crypto, if you want to trade commodities, if you want to trade shares, they offer the best trading platforms if you're looking to trade all those things at competitive prices and with strong customer support. So it is the all-round package for the region, and that's why Eightcap is one of the fastest brokers within Mexico.
There you have it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you felt that this video was helpful to you on your trading journey, please don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comment section down below if there are any other Mexican-specific videos you'd like Justin and myself to create for you to help you on your trading journey in 2024. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.